late. It's 10:58. The sirens are wailing. I'm gonna try and get to this one by the prison real quick before it winds down. Heard a 2001 going off. It doesn't sound like that guy's going off. I know the 2001's going off. Those guys were wailing. Yeah, no, this guy's done. This guy's dead. Well, that's a bust. Now to go find a 2001. Hopefully catch it before it's done. Oh, there it goes. Okay, we're going straight. Yeah, we're just gonna sit here. That is such a healthy sounding siren. I believe that's a Federal Signal 2T22, if I remember correctly from the map. But that was a very healthy sounding siren. I was not expecting it to go off since I heard the 2001s wailing earlier. Not sure what 2001s went off first. But yeah, good thing we got to hear it. Now off to Newton County. Thanks for watching.